Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am Jennifer, this is my husband Aaron, and today we are going to take a look at the Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. It comes with 7 either full size or it's deluxe size lip products. What does it come with? It comes with, let us see, it comes with the Charlotte Tilbury full size Matte Revolution lipstick in a Pillow Talk, the Give Beauty Anaheim Shine High Performance Satin Lipstick.
So the X is silent there.
In original recipe, it has the NARS Afterglow Lip Shine in Orgasm. Both of these are the mini sizes. It has the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick in Vendetta in a mini size. It has the Rare Beauty Full Size Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in Nearly Neutral. The Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in Clear. And the Urban Decay Vice Hydrating Lipstick in Backtop.
I looked at that briefly. I thought it said lip infection, and I was like, ew.
Lip infection.
That's not a good name.
So what we usually like to do with these kits is split them up between us. So we're going to try all of these lip products on and then decide which ones we want and split them up between us. But I have one question for you, Aaron. This lip injection. I know you don't really wear clear gloss, do you?
Not usually.
And I'm kind of afraid of this, really. I don't really like lip plumpers.
Oh yeah, I don't like those that much either.
So you just, to make it even, an even 3 and 3, you want to just put this in the giveaway bin?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, so I'm going to take all of these out. And then we are going to try them on and see what we think of them. And then we are going to decide who gets what. All right, be right back. Okay, we're going to first start with the full-size products. This is the Rare Beauty. Can I see the box again? This is the Rare Beauty full-size Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in Nearly Neutral. Okay.
Not neutral, but nearly neutral.
Nearly neutral. This is what it looks like as a swatch. And this is what the doe foot looks like. It kind of takes a lot to...
That is pretty neutral on you.
It is very neutral.
I like what you up and then it goes. Watch it out.
I like it though. It feels very good on the lips. Okay, what do you think of it?
It's all right. It's nice. I could go either way with it. But still nice.
Okay. Okay, that is that. Next, we have the full-size Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution.
Charlotte Tilbury,
Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk. That is what she swatches like. I've tried a mini of one of these before. Very pink.
Makes me feel like I'm gonna have someone around for tea and gossip about the neighbors.
It's a comfort matte though. I never tried Charlotte Tilbury. I mean, I think I've tried this before, but I've never really worn it. Well, I mean, never really. I had a mini, but I never really used it.
Oh. Nice. What kind of neutral too?
I think these kits are usually pretty neutral.
What makes a man go neutral? Do you like that one?
I don't know. It might be a little too pink for me.
Maybe a little more on my side then. Seemed like you liked that one a little bit more than I did.
Okay, so we'll split the two. So we'll each get one of the full size. You want the Charlotte Tilbury? And I'll take the Rare Beauty. Okay, so we each get one of the big ones. We usually don't fight too much over these sets. Okay, which one do you want to try next?
Let's try that one.
Okay, now I will tell you, this is the reason I got the set. Because I really wanted to try this one. That doesn't mean I'm gonna like it. What? It's called Give. This is the Gwen Stefani brand. This is what the component looks like. It's called Give Beauty. It is the Anaheim Shine High Performance Satin Lipstick in the color Original Recipe.
Wow. Ooh, that's pretty big.
And yeah. It's another blue red. I'm looking for a nice orange red.
If it was more blue red, would it be purpley red? I like purpley red.
You like purple red?
Yeah. Alright, let me try this.
Not what I expected.
It is quite red. I think you pull this one off better.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's better with your coloring.
I don't think this is the right look for it.
Maybe not. I think you could do it.
I think I do like it though.
It's too bold for me, you know, darling. I'm more dainty, you know.
Let us know what you think down in the comments.
I was just saying to Charlotte the other day, I said, Charlotte, we were sitting around, we're having toad in the hole. I said, Charlotte.
Okay.
Would you agree that I'm a dainty flower? And Charlotte said, oh, yes, you are.
Okay. What one do you think you would like?
Oh, let's try this one next.
The Pat McGrath?
Yeah.
This is the Pat McGrath Loves Matte Trance Liquid. It's a lipstick. It's not liquid. In Vendetta.
Ooh, Vendetta.
It has the little lips on the outside.
The color of revenge.
Oh, that looks really matte.
It does. Quite matte indeed.
That is what it looks like. Here, you try it first.
All right.
Oh,
What do you think? Do you like this one?
yeah.
Well, we'll see. We'll try the other two.
Okay.
Let's try this one next. The NARS one.
Oh, this one's gonna stain.
It's gonna sting or it's gonna stain?
It's gonna stain.
Oh, okay.
Hey, that was just a second. I had to fix my makeup. Okay, let's move on to something a little sparkly.
Sparkly.
This is the NARS Afterglow Lip Shine in Orgasm. Everything's called Orgasm with NARS.
Oh, that's not appropriate.
That is what she looks like. Nice. Oh, it feels really nice.
That's pretty nice.
Okay, well,
I'll take that one.
no, let's wait
Okay, we'll see.
to
The last
determine.
two. Last one.
Because I do like this.
That's pretty good though.
Okay, and this is the one I'm curious about. This is the Urban Decay Vice Hydrating Lipstick in Back Talk.
Ooh. Sassy.
Okay, this is what she looks like. Oh, okay. That's a nice color. Oh, this feels nice.
Here's a nice one.
Okay.
So, well then.
So
I guess let's...
I've got a proposition for you.
A proposition?
If I can have the Urban Decay one, you can take those two. Or did you want the Urban Decay one?
No, you can have that one.
I just didn't want to have, like, both of the... I didn't want to have both of the lip glosses.
It's okay. It's okay. We've both got some good stuff.
So we each have a lip gloss, we each have a red, and we each have a kind of pinky color.
Works for me.
So show them what you have. Okay, he has the Charlotte Tilbury.
The Charlotte Tilbury, the NARS, and the Pat McGrath.
Okay, and I have the Rare Beauty, what I have on my lips right now, the Back Talk from Urban Decay, and the, what's it called?
Give.
Give, the original recipe by Give. Which one of these was your favorite? Let us know down in the comments down below. Did you get this lip set?
Do you think that we picked the right ones?
Did you maybe like this one the best? Were you looking forward to seeing us burn our lips off? Because nay, we were not gonna do that.
Not this time anyway.
So, yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment in the comment section down below. If you like what you see and you want to see more, then please hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. We hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have that kind of a day today. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all of those good and special and holiday vibes out there.
Darling. Vibes.
And just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in a collab video tomorrow.
I will see you.
I'll see you in a collab video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay. All right. Goodbye.